Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a question on geometry from a previous CAT paper. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? In the figure below, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DE equals to EF equals to FG and equals to GA. Then angle DAE is approximately. Angle DAE, this we need to find out. Let it be x degrees. We need to find x value. Now here in a triangle, if two sides are equal, in a triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If I take ABC, here AB equals to BC means if these two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. Opposite to AB angle C, opposite to BC angle A, these two will be equal. We can say simply like this: if AB is equal to BC, opposite to B, the third one C, opposite to BC, it will be A. They are equal. So now let's take this here. AB equals to BC means if I consider triangle ABC, if you consider triangle ABC, as we discussed in this triangle ABC, opposite to AB angle C. Simple, if there are two vertices AB, the third one will be C. So opposite to AB, C will be there. Opposite to BC, A will be there, angle A. These two are equal. So if it is X, this will be X degrees. If these two are X and X, 2X, the third angle B will be 180 minus 2X. If interior angle is 180 minus 2x, the external angle will be, it's a straight line, total should be 180. If it is 180 minus 2x, the other one will be 2x. Because sum of this interior angle plus exterior angle will be 180. It is 2x degrees. Or we can directly say an external angle will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. We can directly say it is 2x. Right. Now the next one is BC equals to CD. If I consider triangle BCD, if I consider triangle BCD, this one, BC is equal to CD means opposite to BC angle D, opposite to CD angle B are equal in this triangle BCD. You know angle B is 2x, so if angle B is equal to angle D, so this also will be 2x. If it is 2x, 2x, 4x, this angle, third angle will be 180 minus 4x because sum of all angles is 180, you know that. But you know this entire straight line is 180 degrees. If this portion is x and this is 180 minus 4x, total 180 minus 3x means this portion should be 3x. I repeat, if it is x degrees here, if this is 180 minus 4x, what should be here so that sum is 180 means, you can see here 180, 180 gets cancelled, x minus 4x minus 3x goes other side. In the place of question mark, I should have 3x. That's what I said. Next, CD equals to DE. CD equals to DE means if I consider triangle CDE, if I consider triangle CDE, CD equals to DE means opposite to CD, the angle E, opposite to DE, angle C are equal. We know angle C is 3x. So hence angle E, this entire angle is 3x. Now, DE equals to EF means in triangle DEF, opposite to DE, that is angle F, opposite to EF, that is angle D, are equal. If I take this DEF triangle, these two angles are equal. But we don't know these two angles. So we'll come back to that. So now we'll come back to this later. We'll start then from here and then go back to this again. Let's consider the last pair GA and FG. If I consider FG is equal to GA means if I consider triangle AFG, if you look at triangle AFG, since FG is equal to GA, opposite to FG we have angle A, opposite to GA we have angle F. These two are equal. Now we know angle A is X. In this GAF triangle, angle A and angle F are equal. Angle A is X means angle F is also X. As I said, if it is X and X, this will be 180 minus 2X. This inside, this will be 180 minus 2X. Hence the external angle will be 2x. This external angle is 2x. Now, if I consider EFG, the triangle EFG, since EF is equal to FG, opposite to EF, angle G equals to opposite to FG, angle E are equal. Since we know that angle G is 2x, angle E, this is going to be 2x. We know this entire thing is 3x, but this portion is 2x. Now in this triangle EFG, angle G is 2x. I'll write it here. This is 2x. This is 2x. 2x plus 2x, 4x means this is 180 minus 4x. Now this external angle here, it is x. This is 180 minus 4x means what should be this? The total is 180. As I said here, the total is 180. So if it is x and 180 minus 4x, this should be 3x. Because it's a straight line, total should be 180. This is 3x there. Now coming back to this DEF triangle now. In triangle DEF, angle, DE equals to EF means, as we discussed, angle F equals to angle D. Now I know angle F is 3x means this entire angle D, this entire thing is 3x. Now this is x we know, and this entire thing is also, this portion is 2x, but this entire thing we got 3x means, if I consider triangle ADE, this angle A is x degrees, this angle E, entire thing is 3x. Here also this portion is 2x, but what is the entire thing we got? 3x here. This is also 3x we said. This entire angle is 3x. So 3x total is 180 degrees. 7x is 180. 180 degrees, or x equals to 180 by 7 means it is 25 point something. It is more than 25, less than 27, 26 means approximate answer is asking approximately. It is 25. 26 is not there. It's more close to 26 than 25. But 25, 26, only one of them is there, 25. So we'll go for it. It is 25 degrees approximately. 725 is 175. 25.7 degrees you get. 25.7 means the nearest answer is 25 degrees. So hence my answer is choice D, that is 25 degrees. Right? So the whole question depends on the concept that if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. Students, for more on geometry, please reach my profile in Udemy. The link is given below, where you find a comprehensive course on geometry. Thank you.